Alright YouTubers, food reviews with John the Picker. Here we got some Lays Flamin Hot Chips. They used to have these out and then they took them off the shelf. They had like a little fire guy on there like you see on the Cheetos bag. Now it's just Lays Flamin Hot. I don't know if they're the same kind of chip. I'm going to test it out. They used to be my favorite kind when they took them off the shelf and they had the little fire dude on it. It had like a black package, flames going around. But now we got Lays Flamin Hot with a pepper on it instead. Oh crap. Gotta get the bag open. When they took them off the shelf, I started eating Uncle Ray's hot chips. They're the only things that tasted like Lays Flamin Hot Chips. Sorry that took so long to open. They pretty much look the same, as far as I can remember. They used to be really hot and my cousin would freak out because I could eat a whole bag of them. The quicker you eat them, the less hot they are, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know, it kind of tastes like them. I don't know if they use the same recipe or not. They're definitely hot. They do burn the chip up. Lays Flamin Hot Chips. Holy shit, they're hot. I guess they're about the same as before. Comment if you've ever had Flamin Hot Chips. I'm John the Picker. I'm out. They're hot. So I got Mountain Dew on standby. Oh yeah. Cooper, come here. See if you like it. Oh, Coopy likes it.